For centuries, humanity has looked toward Mars and wondered what secrets are buried beneath its dusty red surface. The planet appears silent, dry, and lifeless, but beneath this ancient landscape lies a story written in layers of ice, rock, and time. Recently, scientists uncovered evidence of a massive hidden ice wall on Mars, a discovery that has changed the way we see the red planet and opened new questions about its mysterious past. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars, surrounded by endless deserts and towering mountains. The thin atmosphere whispers around you, and beneath your feet lies a world that once may have been very different. Hidden below the surface, protected from the harsh conditions above, are enormous deposits of frozen water. These icy structures are not ordinary patches of frost. They're ancient records of Mars history, preserving clues about a time when rivers may have flowed, lakes may have existed, and the planet may have looked far more alive than it does today. The discovery of this massive ice wall reminds us that nature often hides its greatest secrets away from our eyes. What appears empty from above can hold entire worlds beneath. For scientists, this frozen formation is like a forgotten chapter of a cosmic book waiting to be read. Every layer of ice may contain information about Mars' climate, atmosphere, and the dramatic changes that transformed it over billions of years. Water is one of the most important ingredients for understanding whether life could have ever existed beyond Earth. The presence of large amounts of underground ice raises exciting possibilities. If ancient Mars once had environments suitable for life, these frozen regions could preserve signs of that forgotten era. Ice can act like a time capsule, protecting tiny traces of the past from the destructive forces of radiation and extreme temperatures. But this discovery is not only about the search for ancient life. It also changes the future of human exploration. The hidden ice wall beneath Mars. Scientists have discovered a massive underground ice wall beneath the Martian surface, revealing that Mars contains far more frozen water than previously believed. This hidden ice preserves billions of years of the planet's geological and climate history. What appears to be an endless desert of red dust on Mars may actually hide one of the most extraordinary discoveries in modern planetary science. Scientists have identified evidence of a massive underground ice wall buried beneath the planet's surface, revealing that Mars holds far more frozen water than anyone once imagined. This enormous deposit is not just a thin layer of frost or scattered patches of ice. It stretches across large regions beneath the ground, protected by layers of soil and rock that have preserved it for millions and possibly billions of years. Unlike the ice visible at Mars' poles, this hidden reservoir remains shielded from the harsh sunlight and thin atmosphere that would otherwise cause it to slowly disappear into space. Advanced orbiters equipped with radar instruments made this discovery by sending signals beneath the Martian surface and measuring how they reflected back, allowing scientists to map what lies underground without digging. These observations revealed thick layers of nearly pure ice, creating what can best be described as a giant frozen wall concealed beneath the dusty landscape. The discovery completely changes how researchers understand the red planet, proving that Mars still contains vast stores of water despite its dry appearance. Hidden beneath the silent surface is a world that tells a very different story from what can be seen with the naked eye. Every new finding reminds us that planets often keep their greatest secrets buried deep below, waiting for technology and human curiosity to uncover them. This remarkable ice wall is more than just frozen water. It is a hidden archive of Mars' past and one of the most exciting discoveries in a window into Mars' ancient past. The layers of ice act like a natural time capsule, storing evidence of Mars' changing climate, possible ancient rivers and lakes, and the environmental conditions that once shaped the red planet. The discovery of the hidden ice wall on Mars has opened a new window into the ancient history of the red planet. For billions of years, Mars has experienced dramatic transformations, changing from a world that may have once contained flowing rivers and vast lakes into the cold, dry desert we see today. Deep beneath the surface layers of ice may have preserved evidence of these forgotten eras, acting like a natural time capsule that records the planet's environmental changes. Scientists believe that studying this underground ice could reveal important information about Mars' past atmosphere, climate cycles, and the processes that caused the planet to lose much of its surface water. Each layer of frozen material may contain tiny clues about the conditions that existed long ago. Similar to how ancient ice on Earth preserves information about past climates, Martian ice could store chemical signatures, trap gases, and other evidence that helps researchers understand how the planet evolved over time. By analyzing these frozen layers, scientists hope to discover when Mars was warmer, wetter, and possibly more suitable for life. This discovery also changes the way humanity views Mars. Instead of seeing it as a completely lifeless and empty planet, we now understand that it is a world with a complex history hidden beneath its surface. The ice wall represents a connection between Mars' ancient past and its future exploration. It carries the story of a planet that has undergone incredible changes and continues to reveal new mysteries. Every layer of ice brings scientists closer to understanding how Mars transformed and what secrets may still remain buried beneath its surface. The search for ancient life. Since water is essential for life as we know it, the discovery strengthens the possibility that Mars may once have supported microbial life. The protected underground ice could preserve ancient biological clues. The discovery of massive underground ice on Mars has brought new excitement to the search for ancient life beyond Earth. Water has always been considered one of the most important ingredients for life, and finding large amounts of frozen water beneath the Martian surface raises fascinating possibilities about what the planet may have been like billions of years ago. Scientists believe that ancient Mars was once a much warmer and wetter world, with rivers, lakes, and possibly oceans covering parts of its surface. If life ever existed there, even in the simplest microbial forms, the hidden ice deposits could contain clues that survived through time. Unlike the exposed surface of Mars, which is constantly affected by intense radiation, extreme temperatures, and a thin atmosphere, underground ice provides a much safer environment where ancient materials can remain protected. This makes these frozen regions one of the most promising places to search for evidence of past biological activity. Tiny chemical traces, organic molecules, or other signs of ancient life could potentially be preserved within these icy layers. The discovery does not confirm that life existed on Mars, but it gives scientists a stronger reason to continue exploring the planet. Future missions equipped with advanced drilling tools and laboratories could study these frozen deposits directly and analyze their secrets. Every sample collected from Martian ice could answer one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? The hidden ice wall represents more than just frozen water. It is a doorway into Mars' mysterious past and a possible connection to a time when the planet may have had the right conditions for life. As exploration continues, a new era of space exploration. The hidden ice wall reminds us that Mars still holds countless mysteries beneath its surface. Every new discovery brings humanity closer to understanding the planet's history and prepares us for future exploration beyond Earth. The discovery of the hidden ice wall on Mars represents a powerful reminder that the universe still holds countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered. For decades, Mars was viewed mainly as a cold, dry, and empty planet, but every new scientific discovery reveals a much more complex world beneath its surface. The massive underground ice formation shows that Mars is not simply a barren desert, but a planet with a rich history, hidden landscapes, and secrets preserved for billions of years. This discovery marks a new era in space exploration because it encourages scientists to look beyond what is visible. The surface of Mars only tells part of the story, while the underground environment may hold answers about the planet's climate, geological changes, and possibility of ancient life. With advanced spacecraft, radar technology, and future exploration missions, humanity is beginning to uncover the hidden chapters of Mars' story. The ice wall also represents hope for future generations of explorers. It demonstrates that even distant worlds can provide resources and opportunities if we have the knowledge and technology to reach them. Every discovery on Mars brings us closer to answering some of the biggest questions about our place in the universe. Mars continues to challenge our imagination and expand our understanding of what is possible. The hidden ice wall is not just a scientific finding. It is a symbol of curiosity, exploration, and human determination. As we continue searching beneath the Martian surface, we may uncover discoveries that completely change how we view other planets and the possibility of life beyond Earth. The journey to understand Mars has only just begun, and its greatest secrets may still